Hey everyone, welcome to Nims and Amara's
Science Corner! Today we're going to be diving into an explosive experiment. Literally, we're going to be creating a volcanic eruption right here in our school science lab.
And what's the best part? We're using everyday items like baking soda, dish soap, and vinegar.
Let's get started.
So the materials required for this experiment are a conical flask, which will represent our volcano, a water trough, which we will put the conical flask in to avoid any leakage, dish soap, baking soda, vinegar, and some food coloring. Now let's get our conical flask and put it in the water trough.
Then let's add 50 grams of baking soda.
Now let's add a couple of drops of dish soap.
Now let's add some food coloring for that cool look.
Now
let's stir. Then we'll stir it.
Now let's add the vinegar.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Whoa, that's gnarly! Look at it go!
Whoa, that eruption was spectacular, but what's the science behind it?
Great question, Amara. Well, this is a classic example of an acid-base reaction. The baking soda, or otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, is a base, whereas the vinegar contains acetic acid, CH3COOH, which makes it an acid.
So this is the reaction that occurs when we mix acids and bases. This is a prime example of double displacement reaction.
We hope you guys learned something new from this video, and if you're going to be trying this at home, please be safe and use the required lab materials and equipment. Thank you.